I'm back. My name's Daniel, and I'm going to work on a little thing today. And thing I'm working on is a project called Pathos. The only thing I want to do today for this project, though, is this. So before I can release a 1.0, I want to deal with all these to-dos. And if you look carefully, the only thing that's left to do is writing doc strings. I mean, these, finishing these will be a necessary but not sufficient condition. The problem right now is every time I need to think about or look at the progress, or anybody for that matter, they have to do this. They have to come in the code base and grab for it. I think probably a better thing to do here is put them on a issue tracker. And the problem with that is all the body of the to-do really is very, very similar. That just says missing doc string. And the actual content is right below it. So I decided that I need to clean this up. So ideally, there are one of two things that could happen that can solve this. One is for each of the to-do, we'll create an issue on GitHub. The other, I think what I'm leaning towards right now more is one issue with each of these being item in a checklist. I think the best way to do it probably is just some dirty script that just does this. Yeah, so if you think about it, is really, go through each Swift file and find the line that has to do, take the next line probably, which will be the function signature, at least part of it, the beginning of it, and you kind of just take that line, and that could be the content, the checklist, the item. That's it. All right. Collect to do. All right, so we're gonna have to use os.path. Glob probably. So the to-do item could be just the function name. It could be the file name plus the function name, but just the function name seems easier. So before I do anything else, let me just test this out. Glob and see, it's great that I know this almost off the top of my head because I attempted to steal them for Swift, right? So that's more like it. That looks like a complete list of all Swift files. Okay. So now, giving this now we're gonna read lines for each file, right? So now we have lines. I think they also stripped the new lines. I'm going to use the result variable to aggregate all the results. do this. Can even do better, right? I can do this. This is probably slightly faster, not that it matters. If it starts to do, first of all, let's just do lines I plus 1. Let's see what this does. These definitely look like the functions. And it does look like they includes the new line symbol. Yeah, that's more like it. What I really like about this specific set of results is none of them contains just an incomplete signature. I think all the signatures are here, which is great. Okay, I mean, that's really all I wanted to do. I think this is ending very quickly. But before that, though, let's see. I probably want to strip like throws and open curly and probably public func. Okay, so that's more fun, but I know that all the results have public func. So signature equals this if signature starts with, I mean, I know it starts with header length equals length of public func. So and then for this, how about this? Ha, hilarious. Aha, so this needs to be negative. Is this more or less what I want? I need to try the longer tail first. So this guy comes first. Yeah, okay. Let's open up an issue then. Doc strings are missing for some documentation. That is, I thought I have a milestone maybe. Okay, 1.0. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this and something like this. I mean, this looks horrendous, but it kind of works. yeah, I guess this is it. I'm gonna make the issue. Thanks for watching.